And before attending this live class, sorry, not the live, uh, this session, so I was
Yes.
looking the content material of Engoo, and I came across this describing picture, and I really find it
Okay.
interesting. So I would like to do this
Mhm.
activity.
All right, absolutely.
Yeah,
I like describing pictures too.
yeah. So should I start from here, or you will start?
Oh, you can click on the describing pictures.
Okay,
So whatever you click on, I will be able to see. It
okay.
reflects. Yes. Okay, so we have a range from intermediate to advanced. Where would you say you're at the moment?
Okay. I think a happy moment. Let's see what about it.
All right.
Uh, okay, let me
Okay.
just.
All right. So
Okay, this
family
one.
cooking exercise one.
Yeah.
Eh, Okay, so let's helpful vocabulary. There's some vocabulary at the bottom. Mother, daughter, kitchen, vegetable, oil, ring, colorful, cook, teach, touch, pull, and smile. Are these familiar to you, or are there any
Yes,
words
yes.
here that you're not
These
familiar? Oh, you're
vocabularies.
familiar.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. So please describe this picture as well as you can, and if you need any help, you can use the helpful vocabulary.
Okay, so first I would describe this picture, and then you give me some suggestions that what are the mistakes I have done, or you just give me a demo how to do it better. Okay?
Okay, I think yeah, you should
Okay.
start when you're ready and
So, in this picture, I can see there is a mother and her daughter. I think the mother is helping her child in cooking the food, and I think the daughter, she has some kind of oil in her hand,
yes.
and there is a table of brown color, and there are some vegetables on the table like cucumber and what do we call this red one? The word is not coming in my mind.
Okay, so what you can do, there's a helpful tip here. There's a pencil button that you can use to circle
Okay.
whatever it is that you want.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
I was asking about it.
Okay, so bell pepper.
Bell pepper.
Yes.
Okay. So that's it. And the hair color of mother and daughter is a bit yellow. So that's all about I can see. Mother is looking so happy while teaching her daughter. That's it.
Okay. All right. That's really good actually for your first time.
Yeah.
So, I will describe this picture and then we will discuss the two different descriptions. Okay. All right. So, in this picture, I can see two people, a mother and a daughter. They are in a kitchen, I would say, because in front of them we can see a brown table, and on it there are many different vegetables and very colorful vegetables. I can see some carrots, I can see some bell peppers, I can see some cucumbers, and there is also a chopping board, and I can see that the bell pepper has been chopped in half on the chopping board as well. So the woman, or I think the child, might be standing on a stool, and the woman is holding, or her mother is holding her head, or maybe just patting her hair to encourage her. With what she's doing. So the child is pouring some oil, that she's holding a jar of oil and she's pouring it into a bowl. They might be making a salad from the looks of what's
Okay.
going on there. Yes, and they look very happy because they have smiles on their faces. And in the background, it's quite blurry, but it's also very bright and white, and I can see some plants. It's all just a very beautiful photo.
Wow, wonderful. So this is a thing I have
Okay.
noticed, like when it comes to describe any picture or speak on any topic, suddenly, so words don't come in my mind, and I just end up just saying some sentences.